Importance of sleep for overall health. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of human health, playing a critical role in physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are several reasons why sleep is crucial for overall health. 1. Physical health. Cellular repair. Sleep allows the body to repair and rejuvenate cells, tissues, and muscles. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones that aid in tissue repair and muscle growth. Immune function. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. It enhances the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Cardiovascular health. Poor sleep is linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Sleep helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate. Weight management. Sleep influences the hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, such as leptin and ghrelin. Insufficient sleep can lead to weight gain and obesity. 2. Cognitive function. Memory consolidation. Sleep is vital for memory formation and consolidation. During sleep, the brain processes and stores information from the day. Learning and concentration. Adequate sleep enhances cognitive functions such as problem-solving, creativity, and decision-making. It also improves concentration and productivity. Mental clarity. Sleep deprivation can lead to impaired judgment, slower reaction times, and difficulty focusing. 3. Emotional well-being. Mood regulation. Sleep impacts the brain's regulation of emotions and stress. Poor sleep can lead to mood swings, irritability, and increased stress levels. Mental health. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with a higher risk of mental health disorders, including depression and anxiety. 4. Hormonal balance. Endocrine system. Sleep helps regulate the body's hormonal systems. Hormones such as cortisol, stress hormone, insulin, regulates blood sugar, and melatonin, controls sleep-wake cycles, are influenced by sleep patterns. Reproductive health. Sleep affects reproductive hormones and can influence fertility and sexual function. 5. Performance and safety. Physical performance. Athletes and physically active individuals benefit from quality sleep, which enhances performance, coordination, and recovery. Safety. Lack of sleep can impair motor skills and reaction times, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries, both at work and on the road. Tips for improving sleep quality. Consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Healthy sleep environment. Ensure your sleeping environment is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit exposure to screens. Reduce screen time before bed as the blue light from devices can interfere with melatonin production. Healthy diet and exercise. Maintain a balanced diet and regular physical activity, but avoid heavy meals and vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Relaxation techniques. Engage in relaxation activities such as reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath before bed. In conclusion, sleep is a vital component of overall health, influencing a wide range of bodily functions and processes. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can lead to significant improvements in physical, cognitive, and emotional well-being.